can't see in the back. There's a car. We're travelling to Pickering. Bangers and cash. See if we can sell this little car. What's the car?
It's a half-scale Model T Ford.
So we're in Thornton-Le-Dale, good old Bangers and Cash. Tiny's just inside at the moment, dealing with Derek, because we're going to put the little car in the auction. Well, Tony had the bright idea of putting the car in the camper van, and we're unsure if it's going to come out.
Film, cameraman's just coming out. Film.
So Tony's really excited, let me tell you. He's not stopped driving the little thing, and it's caused a little bit of a stir. Anyway, it should be filmed on TV next year, which will be 23. So it's exciting things, actually. So, yeah.
Feed it by it and just hold it there, and away you go.
And then talk to me about steering. Do you like the steering?
The steering, it's easy to steer. It's quite light actually, and it's very
It's in his
responsive.
element now.
Yeah, the steering is pretty good.
So if you like this video, can you please like and subscribe? If you have any comments, if you leave them below, and I'll do my best to answer them. And there will be some more videos coming to the channel a little bit later on. Thank you for watching.